Hello children, till here we have completed this portion in previous class. Today we will continue from page number 165. Okay. Tell me children, why do animals need food? In previous class we have learned already. Why do animals need food? Animals need food to grow and stay healthy. Yes or no? Yes. And animals need food for energy also. Okay. What do you mean by food chain? Some animals eat plants, some animals eat plant-eating animals, some animals eat both plants and animals. Thus, all animals depend on plants for their food. This is like a chain and is called a food chain. All food chains begin from plants. Okay. Next, tell me, what do you mean by herbivorous? Yes. Animals like goats, cows and giraffes eat grass or green plants. They are plant-eating animals. Such animals are called herbivorous. Animals, next, what do you mean by carnivorous? In the last class we have learnt, no? Yes, tell me. Animals like lions and tigers eat the flesh of plant-eating animals. They are flesh-eating animals. Such animals are called carnivorous. Next, what do you mean by omnivorous? Animals like crows and bears eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called omnivorous. Human beings are also omnivorous. They eat different parts of plants. They get food from China. Omnivorous eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Herbivorous are plant-eating animals. Carnivorous are flesh-eating animals. Okay. Next. Today we will continue from page number 165. The mouth parts of the animals depends upon the kind of food they eat. Okay children, tell me how animals feed. Do you know how animals feed? Different animals eat different types of food. The feeding habit of an animal depends on the type of food it eats. The mouth of an animal is suited to the type of food it eats. Gnawing animals. See here. Gnaw means what? Gnaw means to bite something repeatedly or chew it hard. Animals like rabbits, rats and squirrels gnaw their food and have very sharp front teeth. See here. Very sharp front teeth. These teeth help them to bite into seeds and fruits. Here, mice, squirrels, porcupines, hamsters and rabbits are called gnawing animals. These animals eat seeds, fruits, vegetables and other plant food. Rats can even gnaw through paper, books, cloths and shoes. Gnawing animals, they have a pair of very sharp pointed teeth. See here. In their upper and lower jaws. See here. Upper and lower jaws. They cut grains and nuts with these teeth. They have pouches between their teeth and cheeks which they use for storing food. Gnawing animals have a pair of very sharp pointed teeth in their upper and lower jaws. Okay. Next, animals that it's all about gnawing animals. Next, animals that swallow food. Snakes, lizard and frogs swallow their food. They don't have chewing teeth. They cannot chew or tear food. Frogs and lizard have long and sticky tongues which they use for catching their prey. See here, a lizard swallows its food whole. See here. Next, an insect gets stuck on the long and sticky tongue of a frog. See here, a frog gets stuck on the long and sticky tongue of a sticky tongue. Okay. Snakes. See here, snake either swallow their prey alive or coil around it to suffocate the prey before swallowing it. See here. Next, animals that suck food. See here, butterflies have a long thin tube. See here, butterflies have a long thin tube attached to their head. See here, they use that to suck nectar from flowers. Bees also suck nectar from flowers. See here, bees, butterflies. Mosquitoes suck blood from human beings. See here. Butterflies and bees suck nectar from flowers. Mosquitoes suck bloods. Okay, then next, grazing animals. Grazing animals means what? Cattle, yaks, deer, wild beasts. Bison eat grass and other ground plants. They have plant and board teeth in their upper jaws. See here, upper jaws. They first swallow their food and later they digest it by chewing the cud. See here, which they use for tearing grass and other ground plants. They have strong back teeth. See here, they have strong back teeth which they use for grinding and chewing their food. Between their front teeth, see here, front teeth and back teeth are there. See is a gap. Okay children, see here, these are some flesh eating animals like snakes swallows their food whole. They do not bite or chew their food, so they do not have biting or chewing teeth. A frog swallows insects. It has a long and sticky tongue. See here, it shoots out its tongue to catch insects. The insects that get stuck on the tongue makes a tasty meal for the frog. See here, a snake swallows its food whole. Next, butterflies have a long thin tube attached to their heads. Bee also. Next, mosquitoes suck blood from human beings. Bees also suck nectar from flowers. Next, grazing animals. Grazing animals like cow, yaks bite the plants and quickly swallow them without chewing. When they relax, they bring small amounts of food from stomach into their mouth. They then chew it with their back teeth. This is how they digest their food. This is called chewing the cud. What does chewing the cud mean? Grazing animals like cow, yaks bite the plants and quickly swallow them without chewing. When they relax, they bring small amounts of food from their stomach into their mouth. They then chew it with their back teeth. This is how they digest their food. This is called chewing the cud. Okay, children. Next, what does chewing the cud mean? Some grass eating animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep first swallow grass without chewing it. After some time, they bring it back into their mouth. Then they chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. They also have biting front teeth. To cut the grass, watch these animals graze. You can actually hear the sound they make. Okay, next, flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals, what do you mean by flesh eating animals? Some flesh eating animals like lions. See here, lions, tigers, foxes and dogs chew flesh and bones. See here. So they have very sharp, pointed and curved front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. Dogs, tigers, leopards, lions and hyenas have very long, sharp and pointed front teeth. See here. Which they use for tearing the flesh. They use their strong grinding teeth to chew the meat and bones. Hyenas have large powerful jaws muscles. They can eat bones and other remains which most animal jaws cannot crack. Okay children, listen carefully. Flesh eating animals are actually doing a very important job by eating the plant eating animals. If they did not do this, then there would be too many herbivores and not enough plants. In this way, they help in maintaining a balance in nature. Next, animals that lap milk or water also. For example, animals like cats and dogs lap milk or water with their tongue. Cat and dog, these animals lap milk or water. Okay children. Now we will recap this chapter. Animals need food to grow, to stay healthy and to get energy. Some animals eat plants, some eat flesh, others eat both plants and flesh. Animals have different feeding habits. Some tear and chew their food. Some swallows it. Some bite their food and chew it. Some grass-eating animals chew the cud. Liquid food is lapped or shooked up. We must be kind to animals. Animals cannot make their own food. We learnt in this chapter, animals cannot make their own food. They eat plants, other animals or both. Animals eat their food in different ways. Their mouth parts depend upon the kind of food they eat. Gnawing animals have a pair of very sharp pointed teeth in their upper and lower jaws. See here. Gnawing animals have pair of very sharp pointed teeth in their upper and lower jaws. Snakes, lizard and frogs swallow their food. They don't have chewing teeth. Butterflies and bees, see here, butterflies and bees suck nectar from flowers. Mosquitoes suck blood. Graining animals have flat and broad teeth in their upper jaw. They first swallow their food and later they digest it by chewing the cud. Carnivores have long, sharp and pointed front teeth and strong grinding teeth. A chain of living things that eat each other is called a food chain. There are many different food chains in our nature. Okay children, I think all are able understood this chapter. What is gnawing animals, what is which animals that swallow food, which animals that suck food. What do you mean by grazing animals? What is the flesh eating animals? Okay. Then finally, see here, giraffes have an extra large heart to pump the blood all the way up their neck. Some animals eat almost non-stop. A hippo uses its huge mouth like a lawnmower and can swallow up to 60 kg of grass in a single night. Some of the world's biggest creators feed on the smallest of creators. Humpback whales can swallow thousands of krill in a single gulp. They first gather these tiny shrimps means that krill in huge shoals and then swallow them in one huge gulp of water. Elephants use their mouth, teeth and tongue to eat food and drink water. Okay children, I think all are understood this chapter and read well in this chapter. Okay, do the work correctly and neatly. Bye. We will continue next class. Take care. Bye.